Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a fantastic workout plan tailored specifically for women. If you're looking to get fit and active, this daily walking routine might be just what you need. Stay tuned to learn more. Walking is an excellent low-impact exercise that can yield impressive results. According to an article from Eat This, Not That, in September 2023, there's a specific daily walking workout designed with women in mind. To get the details and start your journey towards fitness, click the link in the description. Explore the benefits of a tailored daily walking workout for women. Learn how this routine can help you get fit, one step at a time. Find motivation to incorporate regular walking into your fitness routine. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and share it with the amazing women in your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tailored workouts. Remember, every step counts on the path to a healthier you. See you in the next one.